Hello guys! Do you want this iOS-style status bar with emoji on the battery? Well, if you do, keep on watching the video. Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to turn your status bar into an iOS status bar. Now let's go to our Play Store and look for iOS status bar. Choose app that look like this one. Install it and wait for a couple of seconds. Almost there. Done. Now open the app and you should allow all permissions to activate. The app will bring you to Settings Accessibility. Choose iOS 17 status bar in your accessibility and click Allow. So this is what your status bar look like. Click Start Customizing to customize your status bar. Click here to adjust your status bar's height. You can also choose between a notch or a dynamic island. Click this to enable the AM or PM on your time. You can also change your mobile data style, just like this. You can also have an emoji on your battery by clicking this. Turn this on if you want to have a cat animation in your status bar. There are also a lot of status bar colors to choose from. This is the color preview. And this is what the status bar looks like in your home screen. Plus, it auto-adjusts its color when you're opening in apps. See? That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please support my channel by subscribing and giving a like. Also leave a comment down below on your thoughts for my future uploads. Thank you. Goodbye.